Alright guys, severe weather and winter weather safety here, and today is Friday, December 10th, 2021 at 4:12 p.m. and we have a tornado watch number 552 in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. These are all of the Arkansas counties that are under this. So remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, you should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. So you should stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. No, I kind of meant to say the Eastern Time Zone too, so tornado watch number 552 is in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time or midnight Eastern Standard Time. But these are the counties that are under this watch currently. Another watch might be needed as a 40% got here, but kind of snuck up on me. My computer didn't tell me it was here, so my bad. Or I just say my iPad. So these are all the counties that are listed in here. So NWS Little Rock, Memphis, Paducah, St. Louis, and Springfield all have this tornado watch. And Nashville will be having their watch soon. So this is how big the county area is for this tornado watch. So, yep, stay safe, everyone. Stay safe.